Once upon a time, there were an old man and his wife who lived in an old hut by the seashore. The man made his living by fishing, while his wife worked as a housewife. They kept this humble lifestyle for many years. One day, the fisherman caught a small golden fish in his net. The fish begged him, "Please let me go, old man. I will reward you with anything you would have dreamt for." The fisherman felt sorry for the fish and kindly let it go. "God bless you, golden fish. I don't need anything from you," said the fisherman. The fisherman went home empty-handed. "Didn't you catch anything today?" his wife asked. "I caught a golden fish today, but the fish begged me to free him in exchange for whatever I desire. So I let him go eventually." His wife wasn't impressed by his kindness and said, "You should go ask him for a beautiful new dress for me. My dress is too old and too dirty now." The old man went to the seashore and called out, "Fish, fish in the sea, a wish Isabella would like to see." "What is she wishing for?" the golden fish popped out of the seawater and asked. "My wife wished to have a new dress," the fisherman said. "Go home, fisherman. She has got it." The golden fish disappeared in the sea. Once returned home, the fisherman found his wife dressed in a silk and sparkling headdress. "You look beautiful. Are you pleased?" asked the fisherman. "The dress is nice, but I have no jewelry to match it up with." "Go back and ask the golden fish for gold and diamonds," his wife ordered. The old man went to the seashore again and called out, "Fish, fish in the sea, a wish Isabella would like to see." "What is she wishing for this time?" the golden fish popped out of sea water and asked. "My wife wished to have gold and diamond jewels," the fisherman said. "Go home, ma'am. She has already got them." The golden fish disappeared in the sea. Once returned home, the fisherman found his wife wearing sparkling gold necklace and earrings with mounted diamonds. "You look beautiful. Are you pleased?" asked the fisherman. "I dress like a rich woman, but I live in a filthy hut. My dress and jewels don't match with the place we live," his wife sighed. "Why don't you go back and ask the goldfish for a grand house? He will surely give it to us." Reluctantly, the old man went to the seashore again and called out, "Fish, fish in the sea, a wish Isabella would like to see." "What is she wishing for?" the goldfish popped out of the seawater and asked. "My wife wished for a new house," the fisherman said. "Go home, ma'am. She has got it." The goldfish disappeared in the sea. Returned home, the fisherman saw a grand house standing on the top of the hill with carved front door and marble pillars. Everything went well for a week or two, and then the woman said, "Listen, husband, the house is too big for me to manage. I need servants and gardeners. Go back to the golden fish and tell him my wish." "Oh, my dear wife, I cannot keep asking the golden fish for favours." "Why not?" the wife said. "Don't forget you have saved his life." The old man was forced to the seashore and called out, "Fish, fish in the sea, a wish Isabella would like to see." "What is she wishing for?" the golden fish popped out of the seawater and asked. "My wife wished to have servants and gardeners," the fisherman said. "Go home, ma'am. She has got it." The goldfish disappeared in the sea. The poor fisherman got home quietly, hoping his wife Isabella would give him peace after all. 2 weeks later, his wife started another demand. "Go and find that golden fish. Tell him I want him as my forever loyal servant." When the fisherman arrived at the seashore, it was dark and cold. A strong wind blew over him that curdled the water. He stood there and called out, "Fish, fish in the sea, a wish Isabella would like to see." "What is she wishing for this time?" The golden fish popped out of the seawater and asked, "My wife wanted you to be her loyal servant." The golden fish said nothing and disappeared in the dark sea. As the fisherman returned home, he saw no grand house on the top of the hill, but a shabby hut down the hill. His wife sitting in the cold and damp room miserably, wearing rags, with little food. They lived in the same poor conditions as they had lived before the fish was caught.
My name is June. I am a qualified teacher of science in England, and I am a published author. My book is available on Jingdong, and it makes good gift. If you would like to support my work, please subscribe and hit the like button. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day, and I see you again soon.